Hi, Debra from the Trainual implementation team here. Do you love walking through bookstores and discovering new titles that you've never heard of before? You can create that same experience right in your own Trainual account for your employees. We're going to take these first 5 subjects in my Trainual account and set the discoverability. This first subject, a welcome subject, is probably meant for anyone to discover and find, even if they were not assigned to it. The other options are by request, meaning the user can see the title, but they can't access it without getting permission, sort of like that book being behind a locked cabinet. And private means they can't see that title at all. It's only meant for the people that it's assigned to and admins in the account to be able to find it. So let's talk about some situations where you might do different settings. Strategies for navigating customer challenges. This is required for my cashiers, but I might want to make it by request for anyone else that might have to work with our customers. The next one, our menu, totally discoverable. We want all employees to know what our menu is. Our recipes, those are top secret. We don't want anyone finding those. So it's meant to be private, so it's only assigned to the people that should have access to it. And lastly, our performance improvement plan. This is really only meant for managers, so we've made this subject private too. Let's take a look at what it would look like in a general user's account with these different settings. Okay, now we're logged into Jenny's account. Jenny has access to our menu, our recipes, and food prep. If she heads over to our content library, she'll see content that's discoverable, content that she can request access to, and then that subject that we had that was totally private, she doesn't see it at all. Our recipes was private, but it was assigned to Jenny, so it shows up in her content library. All right, last thing. While you can set the discoverability for each piece of content, you can also set the overall default for the account. Just head over to Account, Settings, select Content, and right here you can set your discoverability to discoverable, by request, or private for all of your newly created content. Happy creating!